Looking insane. Just ignore that. So I just got back from watching Longlegs. Not what I was expecting. I watched it with my dad, my aunt, my uncle, and my friend. I think my dad and I are the only ones that got it, but whatever. I got a new face wash. My mom made me get it because I don't know. Ever since I'm down to 1 pill a day. I'm breaking out, and hopefully this helps because I don't want to go back on those because it's not good for your liver. But whatever. What am I doing? Yeah. These pimples on my forehead hurt. I haven't had pimples up on my forehead since like freshman year of high school. I'm at my aunt's about to go swimming, and there was a bird. Like, it's her. I'm getting it water. Hang on. It was by the pool stairs. I'm putting water in a plate. Hang on. I put water by it. Drink some water. I don't know what to do. It can't fly. I don't know if it hit the window or something, because it was by those stairs. I didn't notice it. Oh, is that its mom? Oh, it might be a baby. That's why it might wander away from the nest. Is that its mom? What the f happened? Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Oh my god, please be its mom. Please be its mom. Please be its mom. Oh my god, it's its mom. It's its mom. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, I think we're good. I think it's its mom. I hope it's going back to its nest. Anyways, I am going to town. I'm probably gonna listen to my my book or whatever, that audiobook that I have for English. I really don't honestly hate it. I'm always so stressed out. I don't know what to do about it. Like, hey, we're gonna relax, just have a great time right here by myself. I am the only person here, and I love it. Hey guys, I'm going swimming. Oh, it's cold. It's not that cold actually, it's just acclimatized. Come on. I'm gonna go swimming. Fun fact, I used to be on the swim team. I used to be a great swimmer. I mean, I still am, but like I don't really swim anymore. I should have stuck with that though. I was really good at that actually, but butterfly. I hated the butterflies. Yeah. I think I dislocated my elbow. I mean my shoulder. Fuck. Okay. The mermaid or the dolphin's my favorite. I just ran into the wall. Doggy paddle. I'm gonna swim, do a front flip. I was too far away. Good enough. Try to do a split. I used to pretend I was on Dance Moms, and I would just like do shows in the water, and I would pretend I would drown almost, you know, and then I would pretend I was a mermaid. I pretend something was dragging me under.